In today's example, we're using Intuit's point of sale desktop software version 12.0. However, this will work in 11.0, 12.0, or the newest version of 18.0. We're going to today use this example. Today I'm going to give you the example of giving a gift certificate for a charity event. We're first going to create the charity customer. I can choose the customer drop down, look into the customer list if I may have already had one, or use the blue customer list button here. I'll use that. I'm going to add a new customer. My customer name is not relevant because I'm offering this to a charity. And I'm going to track it as a company. And I'll probably include any information that I have for the customer at this time. It's going to be really important in this time that you offer to accept checks, because in many cases you don't have that option. If you're allowing yourself to offer checks from this client, go ahead and check that toggle now. It's more than likely that the charity itself is tax exempt, but the future customer will not be. So we'll go ahead and check tax exempt here. Additionally, you'll have a toggle that'll allow you to use with Quickbooks. I don't have that option turned on here, but it will be an additional toggle, and you'll allow the opportunity to create an amount that would be billable to this client. Now that I have my client created, I'm going to make a sale. I can choose the make a sale right here in the center, the icon. I can choose the blue icon button over on the left. I can choose the blue button over on the left, or point of sale new sales receipt. Any of those options will work. Once I've gotten here, I'm not convinced as to, or I have no idea. Once I'm in the make a sale screen, I'm not sure which product the gift certificate will be redeemed for. So in this case, I want to sell a gift certificate. The amount of my gift certificate is going to be $32.95, which is the price of a brand new bike. You'll enter the gift certificate number here. In the event that you're not tracking gift certificate numbers, I suggest that you use the date of the event that you're giving the gift certificate for. So in this case, our event will be held on December 1st. So I'll use that as my gift certificate number. Now you see that I have a price of $32.95 for my gift certificate, and in fact I'm offering this to the charity for only $1,500. So they're going to give me a check for $1,500, and the balance is going to be written off against my charitable contributions. So in order to do that, once I have the check, I'll choose check. Oops, I never entered my customer up here. So let's go ahead and choose our charity. My charity event customer is now selected. I'm going to choose the check button, the check number that they issued to me. And the amount of that check was only $1,500 because I'm giving them the gift certificate for only $1,500. I'll save that. Now do you see there's an amount due of $17.95? That's actually the amount of my tax deductible donation to them. So I'm going to put that on account. And you can see it says accept charge account or payment. I want to charge that to account, and the amount will be the remainder of the balance. So I'll choose save. It wants to know what the credit limit is for that customer, and I'm going to say they're only allowed to have a credit limit of $17.95. Now it's taken that $17.95, it's pushed it into a position that'll be reported in QuickBooks Financial, and your bookkeeper will have to look for that $17.95 that's on the charity event account and push that over to your cash contributions to charities line item for your accounting at the end of the year. I'm going to save this transaction. I can issue them a paper certificate or whatever document you're going to use for them to give away to their winner at their charity auction. Later, a few weeks later, following the event, let's assume that the customer now comes in. So that's how we create the charity bike gift certificate in point of sale and write off the balance of the charitable contribution.